tell us your name and what you do?
My name is Dimaano. I am the admin and marketing head for Café 32nd Street. So what I do here is ako rin nagkahanap ng events, nakikipag-partnership sa iba't ibang groups and mga services, and yeah, do product shoots as well, social media, and pretty much everything.
How did Hawon Food Corp start and what inspired you to enter the food business?
Hawon Food Corp started, according to Miss Lucy, our owner, our boss, our big boss. She started Hawon Food Corp basically for the cafe. Gusto niya mag-start before na maliit na cafe lang for her friends, para pag bored sila magtambay doon sa coffee shop, and then yan, it started with a small idea lang, and then right now nag-start siya. Actually, yung first cafe niya sa BGC kagad. So, medyo big step siya from what she originally wanted to do for the cafe.
What were the biggest challenges you faced at the start, especially in operations, growth, and finances?
Well, according to Miss Lucy, my boss, the owner of Café 32nd Street, because we've been talking about this since I started. So yung mga biggest challenges na nangyari before is yung, of course, the operations, and then yung standards. There were no standards at all before. Yung standard operating procedure, and then yung service flow, hindi pa talaga siya plakado. So wala talaga siyang flow. So yun yung mga naging challenges before, and it needs to be monitored closely kasi hindi ko siya maiiwan mag-isa yung business. Of course, sa start naman ng business ka ng mga nagiging problem. As you go on, dun na nabubuo yung mga operations, and then yung standards, and then yung service flow. So at the start, yun yung naging challenges talaga ng Café 32nd Street.
At what point niyo masasabi na nagsimula nang mag-grow ang Hawon?
Actually, before we didn't have our branding and brand identity. When I first came in, and then right now, nag-boom na siya, especially when we started focusing on specialty coffee. So, specialty coffee, special beans, and then yun yung parang naging puntahan ng mga tao dito. Kasi magugulat ka, for a coffee shop, our bestseller is Americano. Siyempre, nagre-rely talaga kung maganda yung beans and masarap yung beans, no? Which we have, kasi mahal talaga yung coffee beans na gamit namin. So, super high quality, specialty coffee, and then bukod doon, we offer slow bar dito sa BGC. Tapos sa BGC, hindi lahat nag-offer ng slow bar. So, I think we're one of the few ones na nag-offer ng slow bar dito sa BGC. Meron sila yung mga tawag dito, pour-over coffee that they serve. Pero walang slow bar. So, here at Café 32nd Street, we don't just sell coffee. We don't just sell the service, but we sell yung experience mismo. So that's what you'll get here sa Café 32nd Street. It's not just about the coffee, it's not just about the drinks, but also the experience kung bakit binabalikan kami ng mga tao.
How did you manage finances and records back then? Did you use spreadsheets, manual methods, or another system?
Yes, we use spreadsheet that time, and then for everything, manual method, how to keep the receipt, yung documentation, at mga documents at all. It's filed in one box. So, mahirap talaga siya i-organize kasi hindi siya organized. So, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Walang pag-organize ng documents. So, pag may hinahanap kami mga documents, hindi namin makita. And then sa spreadsheet nga rin, ganun din. Labo-labo siya. So, as what I said earlier, na syempre wala pa nga sistema ng una. So at first, ganun na naging yung flow namin, na manual lahat, and then keep dito, keep doon. So all over the place yung mga documents. So yun, isang challenge din yun.
How did you first discover Fynlo and what made you decide to try it for Cafe 32nd Street?
Okay, we actually discovered Fynlo through Miss I. She was actually our customer before, regular customer siya namin. And then she tried her coffee na. And then we decided to um, avail of her services sa accounting. So she does our accounting. And then, yun, finally, she offered yung Fynlo sa amin. That's when we discovered Fynlo.
How has Fynlo changed the way you handle your finances compared to before?
A lot has changed since we've acquired Fynlo. Kasi before it used to, we used to do yung mga manual method lang. Sheets of paper are everywhere. And then, puro sulat-sulat, parang somehow like Jurassic. na before, yung wala pang system na ginagamit. And then, ngayon, very organized na siya. And thanks to Fynlo, lahat nakikita na namin, nasisilat na if something's off. And then, very, feeling na secure yung numbers when yung dumating na si Fynlo. So, very helpful for us.
After using Fynlo, will you be recommending it to others?
Definitely. Fynlo has helped us a lot in terms of our workload. Nabawasan ng sobrang workload namin, and then of course, nabawasan rin yung worry namin. Kasi parang less mistakes na nangyayari sa'yo. Through Fynlo, malaking assistance yung nagagawa niya. It has really helped us a lot sa overall performance ng Café rin as well. And it has HR services rin na nakatulong rin sa amin to payroll and everything. Mayroon silang one-on-one interview every month, which is really good. And sulit talaga, every penny. So I recommend Fynlo. We recommend Fynlo.
Looking back, what's one thing you wish you knew before starting Cafe 32nd Street?
Okay, again, I'm speaking on behalf of Ma'am Lucy, our boss. Sa Cafe 32nd Street, according to her, she wished na she had more knowledge about the coffee industry. And then, yung customer profile before she started dito sa BGC. And then, of course, yung foot traffic dito sa BGC, sa location kung saan niya tinayo yung Cafe 32nd Street. So, according to her, sana daw naaral niya ng mabuti para at first pa lang, smooth sailing na. But as what I told her, hindi naman kasi smooth sailing kagad ang business once you start the business. Kasi parang ano yan parang aso yan. Walang pinanganak na aso agad dumadaan sa pagka-puppy before you become an adult dog. So that's what I told her. Syempre, in Tagalog, ay in English. So, yun, yung sinabi niya sa akin na sana daw inalam niya, inaral niya mabuti before na start yung coffee business. So, right now, we're doing good and we're doing great. Yan nga yung branding message namin na you are doing great. So, yun ang in-instill namin sa mga customers namin. Positive message all the time.
Where can customer visit or contact you to collaborate or event increase to Cafe 32nd Street?
You can come check us out at Cafe 32nd Street at Menarco Tower. It's located at the ground floor. It's in 32nd Street, BGC. And for booking, inquiries, and events, you can message us on Instagram at cafe32ndstreet.bgc or Facebook. Pwede nyo rin kaming DM sa Facebook. And we cater different kinds of events, like cup sleeve events, corporate events, any kind of event. And for your information, we are pet-friendly cafe din. So you can bring your pets as well. Meron kaming adoption drive. We support community na mga ganun. We do charities as well.